Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be cleaning and decorating my mother-in-law's living room area for a Valentine's Day party that we will be hosting over here with all of our friends. Y'all know that we celebrate all kinds of events over here. We have some really fun ideas to make this special for all of our friends, and we're going to be making a yummy pasta from our favorite place to eat, the Cheesecake Factory, and then we're also going to be playing the Newlywed Game, but I'll be sharing more of that on the next video that I post. If you're new here and this seems very fun and exciting, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we'll start getting festive. And I also want to mention that in today's video, we are collabing with Liz with Traditions by the Seasons. Most of you probably already know Liz. She is so cute and she has the best personality. She always looks so happy and she's so beautiful too. So she is going to be actually decorating her dining room area today for Valentine's Day. So you'll be able to figure out how to decorate your living room. And then if you go check out her channel, you can go see how to decorate a dining room. And I will link all of her information down below so you can go over and watch her video right whenever you finish mine. And then if you haven't ever met Liz, go to her comment section and leave a sweet little note telling her hey, and show her some love and tell her that I sent you over there. As you can see, we still had up some winter decor here, and so I'm just going to go ahead and strip all the winter decor away, and then I'm going to really give this place a good deep cleaning. There was like glitter and flocking stuff everywhere. I asked y'all in the last video that I did, what are y'all doing? And I'm going to ask you again in this one. Are you incorporating your Valentine's Day decorations with your winter decor? Or are you taking all your winter decor down, dragging out some of your spring and adding that with your Valentine's Day stuff this year? I decided to go ahead and do the spring just because I was ready for warmer weather actually, and I felt like warming up the space just a bit. If you're coming over from Liz's channel, I wanted to say hello and welcome. My name is Holly, and I wanted to give you a little backstory of what's going on. So my husband and I are actually in the process of building our home on our family farm, and we are living back and forth between my mother-in-law's house and a camper right now. And you will see me decorating over here a lot. This is just something that I love to do, and she loves me doing it for her while she's at work. She loves having people into her home, and so we have events over here all the time. And so since right now I need something to film for my job, and then while she's at work I get all of the things ready for the events. So shout out to Miss Althea for letting me play around and decorate her house. So thankful for that. So we have some videos to put up for y'all, but also it works out for her too because she doesn't have to do as much while she's actually cleaning people's teeth because she's a dental hygienist, and so it works out perfect for both of us. So right now we're just going to be going through her tubs of Valentine's Day stuff and my tubs of Valentine's Day stuff, and we're going to be using both, and between the two I think we're going to make this place look really fun and special for our friends that's coming over this weekend. Also wanted to mention too, because I don't think that you over here on YouTube get to see as much as you do over on my Instagram page. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, then please go ahead and go find me over there, and you can hit that follow button and then watch us on our stories to see everyday life of what's going on. But what I wanted to mention is how close that I actually am to my in-laws. I don't think a lot of you actually realize it, and it's just something that is very hard to come by, I feel like. And so I am so thankful and so blessed to have a set of two wonderful parents of my own that are so loving and caring, but then also to have another two sets of parents, and both of them are like our best friends. We call on them for everything. I feel like I'm kind of getting emotional about this, but it's just so sweet how much love that I have for both sets of parents, and how much that I know that they love us. But not only them two, but my sister and Drew's sister, like just the best of friends, and we do everything with both of them. And so I just wanted to let y'all know how thankful that I was to have that in my life, and I will never take that for granted. And I actually love being over here with them. Addison is getting married this year, and I just feel like it's going to be real sad whenever we're all moved out and in our own separate homes. I'm going to miss seeing them all the time. And we live or building right across the creek. Like I said, we're on the family farm, and so Jory and Tim have to take care of the cows, and so it's very convenient just to be over here so they can drop what they have to do and take care of the cows when needed. My mom and my mother-in-law, they both love to go all out and celebrate anything and everything, and so that's where I get it from. Definitely from my mom. Obviously that was passed down to my genes, I guess, but my mother-in-law loves it too, and so I feel like I have big shoes to fill for our family one day, is to really go all out and just celebrate life. And so that's why you see me over here on my channel. Any little thing that there is to celebrate, we're going to go all out. And we want to try to make all of our friends and family feel so much love and so special. And I hope that it makes you feel that way too. I know that y'all aren't here celebrating with us in real life, but hopefully you feel like you are here celebrating with us whenever you're watching our channel. That's what I want it to feel like. And just celebrating and living in the moment. And then also just having a joyful heart always. And so I hope that this little place is somewhere that you can come and feel that. I've had some people message me before and asking me too, like, how does my mother-in-law feel about me always decorating and rearranging her home? And I've told y'all before that she loves it. And if I felt like at all that she didn't want me to do it, then I would not. But y'all, she is so supportive, and she loves my little channel, and she's like, you do what you have to do. So I am just so grateful for her, and I need to just keep on, I guess, kissing butt to her because she is just so awesome. I love her. My mom is the same way. They're going through renovations right now because of their house flood, if you remember. So we'll be going over there and doing her home too. So I have really great, awesome support systems, and I'm just forever grateful for that. And I actually help my mom decorate a lot for each season too. And if you've watched my channel before, then you've seen me over there doing it. I just think maybe a lot of y'all don't find it as weird because she's my mom, but y'all got to realize that Miss Althea is my mom too, and they love me decorating. My mom, I usually help more decorating than doing it by myself, although she's asked me several times to do it by myself. But I love decorating with my mom. I feel like that is a tradition that we've had for years, even since I was little. Y'all, I don't know if you saw in the clip before, but we had the music blaring. Addison's actually here with me. She's like cleaning behind the scenes and all, but we had the music blaring, and you can catch me doing a little bit of dance moves as I am cleaning and decorating. I love having the music up so loud and just singing and acting silly as I'm decorating. I feel like it just really helps set the mood, and it's just so much fun. Now I showed y'all the like little totes that I was pulling from, but we did not buy any new things this year. We just are using what Miss Althea had and what I had in my old home, and we're just using that to decorate with. So I'm shopping her house. She has lots of those little vases up under her sink from different flower arrangements she's received. So I'm pulling those and using those to put some of our little flowers in, just using what we have to make it work. And I think it turns out really pretty at the end. Also, if you're new, we're kind of hippies. Not really. We just don't use any harsh chemicals in our homes at all. We have heard some of the damaging things that it could do to your body, and so we use all natural essential oils, all made from plants. That's natural, no like hard synthetic fragrances or chemicals or anything like that. And then also the cleaner that you've been seeing me use is our Thieves cleaner, and it has all natural products in it, nothing harmful. We love that stuff. It really goes a long way, and it makes your house smell so good. So if you're interested in kind of cleaning up not only the space in your home, but also the like air that you're breathing in your home, y'all email me at simplylakeandlace@yahoo.com. I'll link it down below, and I will help you kind of through that and what you can do to switch some things out so you have more fresh air to breathe. And this candle that you're seeing right now is actually a candle that I made Addison and I made it, and it is from our essential oils too. We are very pleased at how we were able to clean up the air in our home, the air quality in our home, and just how much better it is to breathe in the more natural things instead of all those chemicals and fumes. So like I said, if that interests you at all, I would love to help you out with that. You can email me, and then also I'll probably tell you just go ahead and text me once you email me. I don't want to give my phone number out on YouTube, but if I see that you're really interested, we can text. It's so much easier and more convenient, and I love helping people with that because it is such a huge difference in our health. And so I would love to help you, so you can just email me if you're interested at all. You are right now seeing my sister-in-law Addison doing her artwork. I always send her something to do, or sometimes she figures it out herself, but I had saw this off of Pinterest and I loved it, and I sent it to her and said, can you come draw this on the chalkboard? And she is so good. I love seeing her do it, and so I just recorded the whole thing but sped it up for y'all because it's very satisfying to watch.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. You set my wheels in motion.
And ta-da, we are finished. We're just going to go around the room and look at everything and see what we did. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I loved filming these for y'all. They're so fun and so satisfying to me, seeing a space come together and just cleaning it up and then redecorating it. I love these kind of videos. Let me know in the comments down below if you like seeing these like voiceover videos, or if you like me actually like having the camera showing you exactly step by step what I'm doing. I just feel like I like sharing a little more about me and what I'm doing instead of like every detail on how I'm decorating. So let me know, what is your favorite style? I wanted to also mention again that if you're coming over from Liz's channel, hello and welcome, and I hope that you enjoyed being with me today and decorating. And if you did, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That helps me out so much, and I love making new friends over here. If you are new, please don't forget also to comment down below and introduce yourself. That's how we get to know each other better in the comments. And then if you haven't ever been to Liz's channel before, I would love for you to go over there, tell her I said hey, and introduce yourself over there, and let her know that you came from my channel. And go ahead and hit her subscribe button too. She's in a new house, and I know she's going to be decorating it all up, and I cannot wait to see that process. And then y'all get ready, because the next video is going to be us like putting out a Valentine's charcuterie board, a fun Valentine's Day meal, and then party ideas, game ideas, and how to actually like decorate for a party for Valentine's Day to make your loved ones feel so special. And then also just little clips here and there of what we are doing to celebrate this week of love. And I also forgot, I went ahead and filmed me decorating Miss Althea's dining room, kitchen, and front door area and little breakfast nook. And that'll be in the next video also. So the next video is going to be really good as well, getting ready for Valentine's Day. And we'll be going to celebrate Valentine's Day on Sunday, the day before Valentine's Day, at my sister's house. And so I probably won't be filming that because it's going to be on a Sunday and I want to enjoy time with them. But if you follow me on Instagram again, you can watch my stories over there and see what all we are doing and celebrating at my sister's house too. Like I said, we love to celebrate, and we will celebrate this week of love, or this day of love, all month long.
Everything that I own, yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.